Hey everyone, Tyler Bristow here with CenterlineMapping.com. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can pair a vLocPro2 Vivax pipe locator with your PointMan application. First thing I want to do is turn the camera around so you can see what I'm looking at on this pipe locator. Go ahead and turn this camera around. Okay, so right here I've got the Vivax vLocPro2. Now what we want to do is we want to pair this with the PointMan mobile application so that we can take data off this machine and log it to our points and lines that we capture in PointMan, such as depth, currency, and frequency. These are all data attributes that you can collect off this machine as you're locating pipes and collecting GPS positions along it. So what we want to do is we want to power on the machine by pushing that red button, and then what we want to do is we want to hold down the information button right here to go into the settings. Next we're going to scroll down to Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth pairing. We're going to click the button over here and we want to search for my Galaxy S9 mobile device that I'm holding in my hand right now. It might not find it, so what you need to do is go to your settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So I'm going to just return Bluetooth back on. I'm going to click that button. I've paired with this vLocPro in the past, so it should find my device. Okay, so let's go back into the settings, and I'm going to click enter, and it's going to search for my unit. Okay, let's go ahead. Here's what we're going to do. Okay, so now so what we're going to do is we're going to push and hold the information button, and once we push this button right here to turn on Bluetooth pairing to search for our device, I'm going to turn off my Bluetooth on my phone and then turn it back on. So I'm going to click that button, I'm going to turn Bluetooth off, and then I'm going to turn it back on, and this should find my phone. Okay, so there it is. It's found my Galaxy S9. I'm going to go ahead and click this button. And now we've got Bluetooth on this machine. So the next thing we want to do is go out into the field, locate some pipes, and log data from this pipe locating machine into PointMan. And we're going to be able to attach depths, currency, frequency to our points and lines that we collect using PointMan. So let's go ahead and go out into the field. In this video, I want to do a quick demonstration on how you can pair the PointMan mobile application with a Vivax vLocPro2 pipe locator. We've already got utilities located and marked, and what we're going to do is pair these two units and take information off the unit as we collect electrical cable information. So once again, I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to let you see what we've got going on. I've got the vLocPro2. I'm going to go ahead and power the thing on. We've already paired the two back at the office, so we should be ready to go. We've got an electrical cable coming out of this box, and it's running along this street. And so we're just going to map that electrical cable out, and we're going to take information off this vLocPro and store it in the information that PointMan creates for us. So as you can see, Bluetooth is turned on the vLocPro. So we need to tell PointMan, hey, we need to use this Vivax machine. We're going to use this receiver to collect information. So I'm going to tap the menu icon in the top left of PointMan and tap settings. Now I want to tell PointMan which locator I'm using. So I'm going to choose vLocPro and I'm going to choose Vivax. Now I want to tap close. And so now we are ready to map out the electrical cable. I'm going to tap new in the top right, and I'm going to choose electrical, and I'm going to choose cable. You could choose from any of these utility systems that you might be locating at the time, but I'm going to map this electrical cable, so I'm going to tap OK, and then I'm going to tap GPS. As you can see in the top right, vLocPro is on. That means PointMan is reading and is waiting for data to be logged from this receiver. So we're basically going to just walk along this electrical cable, and we're going to log information in PointMan. Okay, so we are in draw mode. In order to take information off this unit, we're going to tap the information button, and then to save it and push it to PointMan, we're going to tap the plus button. So here we go. Okay, so I'm at my first position. I'm going to tap the information button, and then this Vivax vLocPro is saying push the plus button to log. So I'm going to push that plus button. Let's do that one more time. Let's push the information button, and we'll push that button. Okay. So as you can see, PointMan added that point to the map. Now we're going to take the next position. So we're just going to walk along this electrical cable. I'm going to collect another point. So I'm going to put this machine down. I'm going to tap the information button, and then I'm going to tap the plus button. And PointMan's adding a point to the map every time I do that. Okay, so now we're going to continue walking. As you can see, PointMan is drawing this electrical cable out as we walk along it, showing you lengths. I'm going to push the information button, and then I'm going to tap the plus button. Okay, one more point. Here I am, last point. I'm going to close this cable out. I'm going to tap the information button, and I'm going to tap the plus button. Now we've got 4 points along this electrical cable. I'm going to tap finish, and that's going to close that electrical cable out. Now what I want to do is look at the pedigree of the electrical cable that we just collected. So in the pedigree, you've got 4 points. Each one of these points is going to have your depth, your locator, your current, and your frequency. And you can go through each one of these points by clicking the next and previous buttons. So let's look at the first point. We've got the locator, the depth, the current, and the frequency. Let's look at point number 2. This point number 2, we've got a depth, current, and frequency. Okay, so that is a quick demonstration on how you can use this vLocPro pipe locator to log and map utilities using the PointMan application. So the last thing you can do is you can send this file to your email and enter it into a GIS database back at the office. So you can send yourself a KMZ, a KML, or a shapefile. You can tap OK, tap Gmail, and then you can send it to your email. So centerlinemapping@gmail.com, and tap the send. And now you've got that file for record. For any future reference, you've got that electrical line located and mapped out. And so that is a quick video on how you can pair the PointMan with this Vivax vLocPro machine. So thank you everybody for watching.